My model is young, 17, and she definitely needed some dry shampoo. Her base was a little oily. Just doing my middle part and getting ready to create a nice bump. So I'm going to just section away an area that will be smooth, and to really give a good cushion and solid pinning, since all the curls are going to live in this area, I'm just going to crimp a few rows right in the center of section 4. I'm going to just kind of curve down the sides of the head a little bit, just giving some crimping. It's kind of like directional crimping. I can't help but knowing where the style is going, that I'm always working towards the way the hair is going to look when it's finished. And make sure they're thin enough. Now I'm just going to hold them completely 90 degrees, just straight up, getting as much tease at the base, and just at the base. Don't start your tease too high. Start right at the base, and then bringing it back, and then releasing that little drip in the front, which you will see. So yes, we want to create this firm base. So there's that little strip coming back, and I'm just going to gather it all. This brush has not deep teeth, so I just really want to clean. Cleaning each section is important. And a strong ponytail at the base, and I'm going to twist it and just push it forward to get that pop. So from here, it is all about the curls and the set. So sectioning off my sides, which are sections 1, 2, and 3, because she has a middle part. And I'm just going to make my rows. And this is the stuff that takes time. This is where you could pass her off to an assistant, or 2 girls could work together, 2 stylists could work together, and just really getting a strong curl in there. She is going to go off and get makeup, and this is how I work all my wedding parties. Mostly they get partially done, set, pinned, and then combed out later. And you'll see her sigh, you'll see her stretch, you'll see her yawn. It's a lot to ask a client to sit start to finish with an updo, especially with this much hair and this much work. It just gives them a chance to get up. Now you'll see here I split the hot rollers. Spraying, starting mid-shaft, and the hot rollers work here because these curls are going to all get pinned up. It's faster than a curling iron. It creates a beautiful movement, and the hair is shorter because it's up in the bump. So you'll see that it creates a really great glossy curl and great movement. So continuing to create my curling iron curls, and it's a 1-inch barrel, so nice and hot. You want to feel, make sure that heat goes through, and continuing on. What's her dad? He kept checking up on her. It's always funny. So this is a photo shoot for a venue that I was working with. And here I'm going to just really spray and smooth, and this is like how your work is clean when you're done, because you're doing it as you go. Because I know where I'm going because of the updo system, and I know the shape I'm going to have, and I know the steps I'm going to take, so I can clean and work toward that design right from the beginning. Just going to hit the curl with some spray, and you'll see basically there is the design. a bump, curls, sides that are dipped, and even when the bride looks in the mirror at this point, or she's, going to go get makeup, she can tell that she's going to have the look that she wanted. And because she is going to be sitting for quite a while, I'm going to pin this up as well. If your curls are ever too tight, just take a brush and a blow dryer and you can smooth out the fringe curls. So see how lovely those hot roller curls are. They're just twisted and wrapped. You can see the twist and the wrap, and it just creates a beautiful curl. I'm going to take everything down and start putting the curls up. Now she has very fine tangly hair, so I went through with my Lorna Evans wide tooth comb, which I love, and grabbing a little bit of hair from the back, putting in a ponytail, pinning it, and now working with those golden colored ends. This is where you want to remember your ends, if you have a balayage, that you can design with the color. And so that you don't hide all the color inside a curl, halfway through, put in an elastic. This will really help with less bobby pins. Just kind of flip it around, get it up there, and now take your beautiful golden curls and put them where they are going to sparkle and shine. Now, on my side here, I'm fanning it out, putting in an elastic, and then I'm going to grab my topsy tail and feed it through. You want to think about where your curls are going to dangle and hang off. So I wanted them kind of right in the middle, so that will create a layered look. So shape your sides, ponytail, and feed them through. Now that's the other side. Just a little pinching and pulling, curling and pinning, and we